Have you heard of viral cough? Viral coughs are coughs caused by viral infection of the respiratory tracts, that's the airway, the throat, and the lungs. These coughs are usually contagious, that's they spread from person to person through droplet in the air. That's when an infected person coughs, talks, or sneezes. Common viruses that causes viral coughs include rhinovirus, influenza virus, parainfluenza virus, and respiratory syncytial virus. Common symptoms of viral coughs include sore throat, fever, body ache, tiredness, running and blocked nose, productive and dry cough. So do well to seek medical attention if you have the symptoms.